do de dum dee dee do dee do dum 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 do de do de do de do de do de do de do.
Hi, this is Math Hub again, and we wish you've come up well with us so far. Today you are given an equation, x square root of x equals 27. This equation involves a variable x, a square root of x, written as radicals, a multiplication between x and square root of x, and its set equal to the number 27. The expression on the left-hand side combines algebra, the variable x, with a radical, the square root, forming what's called a radical equation. These kinds of equations often require special techniques because of the mix between polynomial and root expressions. Your goal is to determine what value of x makes this equation true. In other words, what number, when multiplied by its own square root, equals 27. Let's start solving the question with rewriting it in a simpler form. We remember that the square root of x is identical to x to the power of 1/2. So the equation becomes x multiplied by x to the power of 1/2 equals 27. Now we shall combine the x terms. When you multiply powers of the same base, here, the base is x, you add the exponents. So now the equation is x to the power of 3/2 equals 27. We have to isolate x, and for that, we need to get rid of that exponent 3/2. The opposite of raising to a power is taking the root, or a fractional power. So we raise both sides of the equation to the reciprocal of 3/2, which is 2/3. X to the power of 3/2 to the power of 2/3 equals 27 to the power of 2/3. On the left side, x to the power of 3/2 to the power of 2/3 is x to the power of 1, which is x. Now solve the right side. X equals 27 to the power of 2/3. Simplifying the right-hand side, we now 27 is 3 to the power of 3. So we rewrite the equation as 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 1/3 to the power of 2 equals x. Because 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 1/3 is 3 itself, we conclude x as 3 to the power of 2, which is 9. So the final answer is option B. Please make sure that you subscribe here, because subscribing to my channel will boost your math skills by 73%. Who knows, you might be the next Math Nobel Prize winner.